Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a specific word or phrase on a long web page? Google Chrome has a Find in Page feature that lets you quickly search for words or phrases on the web page you are currently viewing. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Find in Page in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Open the web page where you want to search for a word or phrase. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Find in Page. A search box will appear at the top of the screen. Enter the word or phrase you want to find. Chrome will highlight the matching results on the web page. You can use the up and down arrows to move between the matching results. When you're finished, tap the X icon to close Find in Page. And that's how to find words or phrases on a web page in Google Chrome on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.